Ikea FILUR is a bin with lid. I bought it for to use it as a trash bin. I'm making this video for one purpose only. When I was purchasing it, I really couldn't imagine how big physically it is actually in real life. So when I got it, it actually looks smaller than what I was expecting. Here you can compare it with a bar stool on its minimal level. So as you can see, it is not that much big, but actually it is not neither a small bin. It has a capacity of 42 liters, which is not really a small capacity. I already installed a bag inside. Actually, it is quite easy to do that. It is easily removable. The lid is easily removable, and you can install the trash bag if you are using it for trash. The problem which I encountered is because of the shape. The bag, which is 60 liters, was really too small to place, but okay, that is not a huge problem. The plastic is overall quite thick and sturdy on the touch. It doesn't have a bad smell or something like that. What I like, when you place it over the bag, you feel that it really make a good seal, so the smells won't go out. The lid is a practical touch, so you can leave it like this if you just throw trash in it, if it's not organic. For the amount of money, which is around 15 euros, it is really a good bargain. So you can buy a multiple of these if you're sorting your trash. I also see that some people are using these as laundry bags, so it is quite a versatile. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.